Hey everybody, it's Kathy again at ZKTeco, and I'm here with my buddy Joe.
Hey, Kathy.
Hi Joe. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. We normally do like an unboxing, so we're going to do an unboxing and we're going to do a demo. So before we get started, I'm going to talk a lot about these EP readers that I have here. So this particular EP reader, some of our distributors call it the Swiss Army knife of readers. Some of them call it the all-in-one reader.
You know what I call it, Kathy?
What do you call it, Joe?
I call it the everything reader because it could basically do everything.
Okay, well, we're going to talk more about what it does in just a minute. So let me take a look and see what this looks like inside the box. So basically inside here, you just have the reader itself. It has a back plate. It has a protective coating, and you can see that it has a keypad. So this is the EP20 ZKTeco. All right, Joe, you want to show us how this stuff works?
Yeah, let's go down the list with the other readers here.
Okay.
For starters, we have the EP10C. So this comes with a single gang backplate and a mullion mount backplate, and it can do Bluetooth and card or fob. So then we have the EP20 CKQ, like Kathy unboxed. This is basically the everything reader. It can do card and fob, it can do keypad, it can do QR code, and it can do Bluetooth. Then we have the EP30, the biometric version of the reader. So it can do card and fob, it can do fingerprint, and it can do Bluetooth. These readers are all Wiegand out or OSDP, so you can use them with our panels or you can use them with third-party panels, and they work very similar to what you already know. So we're just going to take a card here, and we're going to swipe the card there, or we can also do it on the biometric reader. And of course, the biometric reader also does fingerprint authentication in case you forget your card.
So, Joe, I want to mention, too, so this particular EP reader, the CKQ, it also comes without a keypad.
Sans keypad.
What? Sans. Oh, meaning not. Okay, I get you. He's getting smart over here. All right, so everything readers, EP readers, everything readers, maybe you can remember it like that.
And you know what else, Kathy?
What?
They're in stock.
They're in stock?
Yes, they're in stock.
Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks again, everybody. We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.